Welcome to SolidWorks drawing, and today we are going to draw another 3D body. By starting, we just double click on this SolidWorks icon on our PC, and the diagram which we're going to draw is this one. So you see, now by starting, we just click here on a part, and we're going to apply a scene here. So just drop down this menu here and select plane white. I'm going to select top plane, and from there we are going to select center rectangle, and so we draw it. We are going to select dimension. Here it is 40, and here it is 60. So I'm going to draw cycle. Select cycle from the command, then I'll draw another cycle here. I'm going to select dimension. This small cycle should be 16 millimeter, and this big cycle should be 40. So just click OK. I'm going to create some relation there. Just click on this line and control, select the line of the cycle. Then here you see it is tangent. Click tangent, then click on this line and select the line of the cycle again. It is tangent, so the relation created with tangency. Now I'm going to select trim. So I'm going to trim these advantage portions, as you see there. Then I release the mouse. Then okay, so I'm going to features, extrude boost base. I'm going to select midi plane, and thickness should be 12. So click OK. Now I'm going again on top plane and select here sketch. I'm going to select corner rectangle. Going to smart dimension it. Here it should be 12 millimeter, and here should be 40 millimeter. So I'm going to features and extrude. So I'm going to select here blind. So the distance of extrusion there should be 30 millimeter. Don't click OK. I'm going to select this face and then select sketch. I'm going to draw two cycles. Yes, and another small cycle. I'm going to smart dimension them 40. Just click OK. Here it is 16. So go to features and select extruded both or base. Here we change the direction for extrusion, so it will be that direction. Here the thickness should be 12 millimeter. Just click OK. Now we come here to this both extruded 3. We click this drop down menu and select sketch 3. Now we come to extruded cut. We want to create a perfect hole. So then we come down here to selected contour. We select this again, sketch 3. So we select this part. Okay. So see, and now I'm going to mirror. Go to mirror. Now here we are going to select a mirror face or plane. Drop down this menu, select front plane. Now mirror features to mirror. Click here. So we're going to select this party, this one, and this back part here. Also, we are going to say we have to select the cut extrude. So if it's not selected, come here, you can come here and select it. So cut extrude 1, then you click OK. So you see here, so now we are going to finish by drawing the features here to download. Just select the back surface here, select here, and click on sketch. Now select corner rectangle from here up to here. So thickness here should be 12. So I'm going to features, select extruded both ways, and here should be 40. Yes, here should be 30. Okay, so again I'm going to select this surface and sketch, select this cycle and you drop to here, draw another cycle. So if it's like that, just type 16 and the cycle with diameter of 16 will appear. So I'm going to but dimension the big cycle to make sure. Now it is 40, just click OK. So I'm going to features, select extruded post or base. Now I have to change the direction, it will be on that direction. So I'm going to here to change thickness should be 12, just click OK. So I'm going to both extrude 5 now and click this drop down menu, select sketch 5, and then I come here to extruded, cut. So I want to create a perfect hole, then I come here and sketch to selected contours and select sketch 5. So I select this sketch 5, then I click OK. So see, my drawing is ready there. So what I can add here is appearance. Select any on this drawing, then go to this icon here, then drop down menu and select a part. So you can come here to appearance, can put the yellow color or this yellow, can click OK. So then you're going to save. You click on this icon, you see it is written save, or you can just press Ctrl+S. So you can come here. So I could like, you can save in a folder. Example here, I've saved in a folder and a new volume called SolidWorks tutorials, and the file name I can write party34 and then save it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome for the new tutorials. Thank you for watching.